What up, y'all? I just want to say thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to click on this video. We're going to be doing a volume 2 of vodka. Let's get right into it. Alright, y'all, for this first one, it's going to be called the Lolita. So it's 1.5 ounces vodka, 1/4 of an ounce of honey syrup. So before I do finish up this drink, I just want to let y'all know, if you check out in the description below, I have the equivalent of liquid ounces, 2 milliliters. Check it out real quick and let's finish this up. It's 1/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And then you have 3 to 4 dashes of Angostura bitters, whatever comes out. I'm excited. I haven't tried any of these that we're going to be making today. All my very first time. Stir this for about 10 to 15 seconds. Alright, y'all, here's a Lolita. It looks pretty. It's cute and pink. Let's see how it tastes. Yeah, if you like bitter, you're gonna love this. Those 3 to 4 dashes of Angostura really helps it out. Make it a nice bitter drink. It's nice and tart. It almost looks like it has grapefruit juice in it. But it doesn't, and it's nice. This is just straight lime juice right here. But with the honey, it's delicious. I think it's great. Let's move on to drink number 2. Alright, y'all, so this is the Flamingo. With this one, it's cool. You can use either rum or vodka. The recipe is cool with either one. So it's very interesting. You're gonna be stirring it again. Yeah, 2 ounces of vodka or rum. Let's get that in there. And then it talks about these. So I got it from an old school recipe book, and it said you're gonna use pineapple juice, orange juice, and sour mix. Now, I don't really like sour mix. They're good for nice cheap margaritas, but not for what I'm looking for in a cocktail. For a substitute, I do have lime juice and lemon juice and simple syrup. That's all it is lime juice, lemon juice, and sugar. But since we're already using grenadine, I'm just gonna use the lime juice and the lemon juice and see how it works. It's equal parts, so I'm gonna do 2 ounces of each and see if it overflows. 1.5 ounces of each might have been a better idea, but let's go. Pineapple juice, 2 ounces. Yeah. Uh-oh. It's a small glass. 2 ounces of orange juice. Gonna be cutting it real close right here. And then this one, my lemon juice, 1 ounce. But I'm gonna be fun with it. Fill this up halfway. Fill it up the rest of the way with the lime juice. Boom, sour mix. Got 'em. Woo. So I'm gonna get started stirring. And this is called the Flamingo. It's supposed to be pink, I guess, so let's go for it. There we go. That's better. It's a nice pink flamingo, huh? That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. It might even could use some more, but I'm gonna keep it like that. There's no use hiding this towel I've been wiping down. Let's try it, the Flamingo. Oh yeah, it's It's nice and tart. It kind of reminds me of a pink lemonade. The lemon and the lime just really hits you in the face. It's delicious. I love it. It's nice and tart. Who knew that grenadine is not just for Shirley Temples? I mean, I never knew that kind of stuff. I mean, it's beautiful. It's a great drink. I mean, you're actually tasting the pomegranate. I love this. I love this one. Actually, you're probably gonna take a look in the B-roll. I'm trying to be fancy with some B-roll. So you're probably checking it out right now while I'm just talking to the camera. Yeah, try this one out. Try it. It's really good. All right, so while I have the orange juice and the sour mix out still, I'm gonna make another drink that's very similar to that. So it's gonna use 2 ounces of vodka, and again, equal parts orange juice sour mix, but this time we're gonna use lemon lime soda. I love 7-Up. I couldn't find any small things or anything of 7-Up in my local store, so I have Sprite. And let's see how it tastes. Let's go for it. All right, y'all, so I said 2 ounces of vodka. I meant to say 1.5 ounces because, ooh, all right, well, meant to say that. That was like a little bit more than 1.5 ounces, but it's okay. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of this, triple sec. I haven't opened this one in a long time. Yeah. So 1/2 ounce of this one. And I'm just building it in the glass and stirring it in. Why not? Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Also, again with the equal parts kind of deal. So I'm gonna do 1.5 ounces of this. And then also again 1.5 ounces of my sour mix. Dang, I'm spilling it all today. Sour mix. And if you wanted to get real technical, you could put a little kiss of simple syrup in there, but you know, it's all good. Let me give this one a quick stir, then I'm gonna add the Sprite. Let's just add the Sprite here. Ooh, boy. Look at it. I am so excited. Oh yeah! Okay, let's go. Wow. Ooh. You know, it uses 2 of the same ingredients as the Flamingo. It's so different. Sorry. I can down that, man. I really like that one. That homemade sour mix is great. If you want it sweeter, I would assume just add more Sprite or something. I mean, it's already pretty sweet how I did it without, you know, the added sugar. Yes, thank you again. Let's go on to the next one. Just want to say, guys, that drink was called the Orange Crush. I don't think that I said it. So the Orange Crush, guys, you guys check this one out. I like it. Go for it. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. I'll always read the comments. Go in there, you know, I like to discuss things with y'all, and go ahead. Yeah, thank you so much. Appreciate it. All right, y'all. So when I saw this next one, I was like, there's no way this is gonna be that easy. It's called the Midnight Sun. You're gonna use 1.5 ounces of vodka and 1/2 ounce of grenadine. You can pour it into this shaker tin, or you can use any kind of glass, just with ice. Stir it around, and then, you know, put it into a low ball, rocks glass, whatever. So let's go for it, guys. 1.5 ounces. And 1/2 ounce of this guy. I'm curious if I'm doing this correctly because it says Midnight Sun. I don't know. When I think of a midnight sun, I think of a sunset. And when I think of a sunset, I don't think of it being mixed together. Maybe layered or something, but we'll see. I'm gonna stir this up for 10 to 15 seconds. Let's just see. And strain into Stir and strain is what it says. You should say double strain too. Well, I don't know if I stirred it long enough. That's weird. I don't know anyone who would order this. Oh. Let's go. Let's try it. Damn. I don't know why it's called a Midnight Sun, but that's good. Y'all should try that. Grenadine and vodka. That's it. Man, and eventually, yeah, I cut out every time that I stir or shake because it's very loud and no one wants to sit and watch someone overweight shake something. I think it's pretty good. I'm very pleasantly surprised. So, yeah, enjoy the close-up. Appreciate it. Next one, that's the Midnight Sun. This one is the Blue Cosmopolitan. It looks like fun. All right, y'all, so I'm going to be reading from the book on this one. I'm not gonna pretend like I can memorize all that stuff in just a second. So here's the thing, guys. When I research all these things, I have an old school booklet and it's called the Black Book of Bartender or something like that. It's, you know, every bartender or got someone who just makes drinks for fun on YouTube or someone who just makes drinks for fun ever at home, you know, they should always have that book. It's great. It's got like every single imaginable drink ever. So here's what I do. I modify the recipe on the fly for whatever drink it may be. I'm getting it from here. I don't test it before. I'm testing it on here. And then I'll modify it. If you check the description below, I'll modify how I think you should do it next time. So blue curacao, and then it calls for white cranberry juice. I don't know what they got with smoking. I couldn't find anything like that. They didn't have it at my local store. So I got pink cranberry juice. It's not a blend of apple juice or anything, it's legit. I'm gonna read this recipe off to you how it came. Blue Cosmopolitan, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 ounce lime juice, right here that I have, muddled together. Now, I don't like the texture of sugar in a drink unless it's like a 1800s ancestral old-fashioned. But what I do have is simple syrup. And this is where it's gonna get fun. So I'm gonna do a Cosmopolitan video or something where I'm gonna teach you how to make the regular OG Cosmo and then, you know, switch it up with, I'm gonna do a blueberry Cosmo. And I'm gonna use the blueberry simple syrup that I taught y'all how to make. So let's move on. 3.5 ounces of vodka, 1/2 ounce of blue curacao, a splash of white cranberry, shake, strain. I'm gonna get onto that. But instead of a teaspoon of sugar, I'm just gonna use 1/4 ounce of the simple syrup. Let's go for it. All right, here's the ounce of lime juice. Now, the 1/2 ounce of blue curacao. Ooh, boy. Cool. 3.5 ounces of vodka. Do that 1/4 ounce of simple. And the splash of white cranberry it's supposed to be, but I don't know, man. Maybe that was different back in the day. Let me just get this out. Let's do. That's probably a splash, right? There we go. Sure did splash on the table though, so it smells good. Shake and strain. That looks like a lot of liquid for what this is, so I'm gonna double strain this though. And yeah, okay. Wow. Yeah, that is a lot of liquid. Kind of looks like the fishbowl from 50 First Dates. Okay, it sure is unique. I'll give it that, you know? Let's see if it tastes good. yeah, it certainly is fruity and girly. Don't even bother with this. Just use the cranberry and then it's gonna turn purple. It's gonna be really cool looking. Use a regular old OG cranberry juice from Ocean Spray, because that stuff is 100% juice. Then you'll get the nice tartness to balance out the sweet. This is just cool, you know. Like I said, it looks like the fishbowl from 51st Dates. So yeah, try this one out, check it out, you know, let me know what y'all think in the comments. I read them all. I'm gonna repeat that just like Larry Lawton. So yeah, let me know. Appreciate it, guys. All right, y'all, I just want to say again, thank y'all so much for clicking on this video. If you just want to tap that like button for me, give me a little comment, you know, ask me a question down in the comment section, because, you know, I had a great question. I've had a couple of questions, but, you know, the one that's coming off the top of my head right now is, hey, yeah, can I use store-bought lemon juice, like the stuff that's already in my fridge that never really goes bad from concentrate? It's like, yeah, dude, go ahead, make it like that. If you're already at the store, just grab some lemons though and squeeze them yourself. The difference is way better, but if you already got all the stuff in your fridge, why would you go to the store to buy lemons? And that's the thing, when y'all saw that bottle, give me a second. When y'all see these bottles right here, I just want to tell y'all where I'm at right here in Massachusetts, these were $6 and like 79 cents a pop. Something like that. I think this one was even cheaper than that. Very, it's super easy to take care of these guys. I mean, it is super easy. I mean, it's for poor man's, man. You know, it's a poor man's drink. It's a cool one, guys. It's a cool one. Y'all let me know what you think. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. You know, like I said, give me a comment, hit the like button, it really helps out. And I will see y'all in the next one. This has been Volume 2 of Vodka Cocktails. So, thank y'all, appreciate it.